Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discuss about in a topic. This topic is asana.com. जी दोस्तों, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है Asana. 85% of Fortune 100 companies choose Asana. See how Asana connects work across different departments, coming company-wide marketing operates and human rights of the bank listing of implement and the manicures of programs and operationalize goals, connect work to company goals, automate workflow across department, report on progress and addresses bottlenecks. See how it works company-wide marketing and operations of physiology and disagreement of intrusion and public is segment of spies. What sets Asana apart? MORECIAR etc. and work connect strategic goals to the straight lines and the teams that help achieve see progress in real time, update stakeholders and keep the company on track. Loan scale with the enterprise grade security, ensure your company data is completely secure and that you are in compliance with the latest standard. Explore security, connect over 300 plus integrations. Asana connects with the enterprise tools your organizations already uses right out of the box. See all integrations. The world of companies trust Asana. See all cost studies. Asana makes everything shareable, which saves us time executing programs because it's so much easier to replicate and learn from what others have done. Read cost study, enterprise, food, hospitality. Get started easily. Tour the platform, read a few deep dives, or kickstarts your work management journey with the right templates. Try the Asana demo and see in actions of the participants. See in actions what are most first name, last name, business email, company, select employee size, country. यहाँ से जॉब टाइटल करके अनलॉक डेमो कर सकते हैं. Recognized as a leader by top analyst firms, a leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrants for collaborative work management 2 year in a row. Learn now. A leader is in the Forrester Wavy collaborative work management tools report. Learn more. A leader in the IDC market SCAP's worldwide collaborative work management vendor assessment. Learn more. Learn more. The only platform that can support your company at any scale. Get started. Accurate as of December 2023 includes free and paid users. See the 2024 Gartner Magic Quadrants for Collaborative Works Management CWM. Gartner is a registered trademark and services mark of Gartner Inc. and or its affiliates in US and internationality. Magic Quadrant and Peer Insight are registered trademark and the Gartner Peer Insight Customer's Choice is a trademark and services mark of Gartner Inc. and or its affiliates and is used herein with permissions or right reserves. 3. See the Forrester Waves TM Collaborative Work Management Tools Q4 2024 reports. The Forrester Wave Collaborative Work Management Tools Q4 2022. The Forrester Wave is copyrighted by Forrester Research Inc. Forrester and Forrester Wave are trademark of Forrester Research Inc. The Forrester's Wave is the graphical representations of Forrester calls on a market and is the plotted using a detailed spreadsheets with the exposed score. Our waiting and comments. Forrester does not endorse any vendor, products, or service depicted in the Forrester's wave. Information is based on best available resources. Opinion reflect judgment at the time and are subject to change. For IDC market space worldwide collaborative work management 2023 2024 vendor assessment unlighting teams data and segments and the Hujo and Fujimoj. Get started जी यहाँ पे नेम कंटिन्यू एंड असाना अच्छा ये प्रोडक्ट्स इसके आगे तो प्रोडक्ट्स ये सॉल्यूशंस रिसोर्सेज प्राइसिंग and the processings. Easily organize your work. Start free individuals and small items. Personal for individuals and small team looking to manage their tasks. Started for growing teams that need to track their projects, program progress and hit deadlines. Advance let chats and give me shorts for growing terms and needs to track and belonging for and the management tracker their projects progress and hit deadlines. Advance for companies that need to manage a portfolio of work and goals across departments. $0 for free forever. Get started 10.99 per a user per month. Build annually $13.49 build monthly. Advance for companies that to manage and portfolio of work and goals across department of the US. $24 is $24.99 and the spare marks of get started and pre-rhythms of the display and nature of life and D upon and strategize of living things organize and the justify oceans manager tasks and personal to DOS manager tasks and personal to DOS of events and the manage tasks personal DOS of collaborations of the deadlines of officials collaborate with up 10 teammates of the unlimited tasks, unlimited projects, unlimited messages, unlimited activity log. Everything is personal plus of viewing. Everything start plus collaborate up to 500 templates, goals, 1000 portfolios, Asan AI workloads, 25,000 automatics per month, forms, branches and customizations, approvals, proofings, low custom fields, advanced reporting, time tracking, scaled security. Collaborate with up to 500 templates, timeline view, grant view, Gantt view, Asan AI workflow, builders, project dashboards, advanced search, global customs, fields, forms, 250 automations per month, start dates and times, custom project templates, admin console, private term and projects, unlimited free guests. Manager tasks and personal to DOS. Collaborate with up to 10 teammates. Unlimited tasks, unlimited projects, unlimited messages, unlimited activity log, unlimited file storage, 100 MB per file, unlimited assignee and due dates, list view projects, board review projects, calendar view, basic search filters, status updates, iOS and Android mobile app, time tracking with integrations, see time tracking apps, 100 plus free integration with your favorite app, learn more. Compare all features loved by 1 lakh plus organization across the globe. Denon, Deloitte, USAID, the New York Times, Spotify, 50 50% of offer of for no profit. Your impact is important. Asana excited to sports no profit organizations with specialized plan pricing, keep work simple, keep making an impact. Frequently asked questions: how does Asana pricing work? The personal variant of Asana is available for teams of up to 10 people. Asana starters cost the US dollar 10.99% per hour user per month when billed annually, and US dollar 113.49 per user per month when billed monthly. The price of Asana Advanced in US dollar 24 per user per month when billed annually, and US dollar 30.49 when billed monthly. We do not offer Asana subscription for one user plans. We do offer tried plans for smaller teams from 2 user to 5 user plans. We need to change the number of people in our team. How to build and make of supervision of scores over how to will that work. How secure is Asana? Do you offer academic pricing and legislaria? At minimum, we offer plans for smaller teams, 2, 3, 4, and 5 seats plans. Beyond that, our subscriptions offering increase in increment of 5 users when total users are less than or equal to 30, increment of 10 when total users are between 30 and 100, increment of 25 when total user are between 100 and 500, and increment of 50 when total user are more than 50 100. How secure is Asana? Asana is a committed protecting customer data. We build platform using best practices for highly available, scalable, and secure cloud applications. We regularly monitor and access our program or to ensure that it meets to or exceed compliance or regulatory requirement. Please visit our trust center for more informations. We are happy to work with students groups using Asana. Contacts us. Should I upgrade my organizations or my team? If you need administrator and premium packages features for all teams, upgrade your entire organizations. If you do not need administrations, traders or premium features for all teams but want to and more guest set for project permissions or hide a team, you can upgrade an individual teams. Learn more. Will I be charged sales tax? Yes, we will apply state and local sales tax based on your billing address to your total charge. If is there on an permission variant of Asana. We are passionate about the web and now do not plan to offer an internally hosted variant of Asana. How does how does Asana store data? The Asana subscriptions services is hosted on dedicated servers within secure industry-leading data centers provided by Amazon Web Services. These data centers have achieved and maintain SOC 2 compliance and provide 24 physical and security, including biometric access control and continuous surveillance. Will I be charged VAT, GST? Asana may be required to charge VAT, GST, and other tax on your subscriptions in accordance with local law and regulations. Some in jurisdictions do not require VAT, GST to be charged if the purchasers and the number of countdown and link down and checkout process to have your expansions processed. For more information, please visit our Asana VAT help page. Asana is happy to offer eligible non-profit organizations is a discount on Asana started or Asana advanced annual plan. You can learn about the Asana non-profit discount here. The cancel a paid plan, go to billing tab in your claim admin consoles of selects of the neighborhood of brilliant. Select the find to admin close in Asana about you wish to cancel and click your profile photo in the top bar. We do not offer refunds of the language before a new rental have certain and paid off until the end of subscription. When your subscription expire, you will lose access to paid features and all data associated with those features. With this, we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you, Allah Hafiz. In this video, we are discuss about in a topic. This topic is hacker rank. जी दोस्तों, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है हैकर रैंक. Hacker Rank products here the next generation developers. We help thousands of companies here and upscale the next generation of developers and millions of developers to become one. And the futures is human plus AI. We have entered a new area of software development where human and AI build together. This changes the skill you need as a developers and the way companies engines here and upskills technical talent. In short, this changes everything. We are embracing these changes with you, and we have revamped our product to meet the movement. The developer skills platform. Prepare and apply for your dream job. Over 26 million developers have joined the Hacker Rank community to certify their skills, practices, interviewing, and discover relevant jobs. And AI mock interviewer can help you prepare while our quick apply agents put your jobs search on autopilot. Showcase your tech brand, attract developers with the hackathons that features real-world challenges and preview what it's like to work at your company. Our AI assistant helps you set up a hackathon in minutes, host it yourself, or advertise and run a campaign through our developers community. Learn more. HackerRank screen tech home assessments that ensure fairness and integrity. Strong developers by administrating a take home assessment in source environment. Choose from my library of thousands of challenges across many rules designed by experts and validated by industrial physicologist fairness. Learn more and Learn skill-based coding test to find developers fast. We help navigate that sea of applicants so you can connect faster and hire developers with the skills your teams needs to innovate. Try for more, try for free, book a demo. Milsiria Ibra creative interview. Create a schedule and interview for the candidates. Score candidate feedback, everything suspicious activity, questions, JavaScript moving titles, and provides reactions customers. Screening candidates through HackerRank has helped us rapidly and accurately identify the skills of candidates and therefore find and hire the technical talent our team needs to innovate. John Duggins, director of a TA at DraftKings, IBM, DoorDash, SnapInc, Adobe, PayPal, Goldman Sachs, Canva, Airpin, Strip of fairness built into every click for plagiarisms detections and procuring to minimize bias. Our assessments give developers everywhere an equal shot at today's top tech opportunities. World-class plagiarisms monitoring, advanced machines learning monitors for plagiarisms, test takers, integrity, and questions leaks, giving all developers a fairer shot at the next round. A standardized skill approach, structures, assessment content, and a scalable system make sure your test applicants consistently whether you are hiring a one dev or 1000. Fair, valid, and reliable result from advisor impact studies to sensitivity reviews. Our content undergoes expert LED analysis to help you test the skills that matter most. Candidates tackle real coding challenges from the for comfort of their home. Identify strong candidates quickly. The best way to assess of a developer's skills by reviewing their codes. Reviewing their codes instead of manually reviewing resumes, automate screening, and let developers showcase their technical skill in familiar coding environment. Reduce time spent in technical interview by filtering out unqualified candidates early. Access the largest library of hiring content in the world. Skip the hassle of building tests from scratch and use a pre-built certified assessment, or dive into the library of hands-on questions covering tech's most in demands roles and skills across all levels. Hacker Rank has the largest library of developers hiring content in the world. University of Hiring and Early Talent Screening built to scale. When hiring turns highly volume, our approach helps applicants show off their skills. This think developers approach prep material, coding challenges, and screening that scale with you. Milicia Ibra test of interface resources 2024 developer skills report, how to hire data scientist, the definitive guide. How to hire back and developers, the definitive guide. See Hacker Rank in actions. We have helped companies hire millions of developers, and along the way we have learned that hiring process are more effective when they are tailored for the nouns for each role, work mail, size, and resources, products and solutions and resources and pricings and for developing pricing and for development. HackerRank choose a plan that works for you. For interns to experience here, evaluate skill for any developers role including software engineer, back end, front end, DevOps, data scientist, and QA SA that monthly annuals 1.165 MO dollars starters 1 billions. The basics to start hiring one user, access to screen interview, and was plagiarisms deductions 2000 plus questions 120 attempts per year, 1 $15 per additional attempts, 375 MO and 4490 build annually. Everything in starter of the plus of the physical language of the physiology, and at the greenhouse level, ash by calendar, Google to Outlooks 4000 plus questions, 300 attempts per year, ability to pre-purchase additional attempts at checkout, annual plan only. Buy now, custom pricing, custom users and attempts, certified assessment for 40 plus integrations including Workday, Oracle, and Eightfold, full library of 75,000 plus questions, advanced user roles and permissions, test up to 100K candidates at once, designated account manager, access to account manager, access to professional services, single sign on, SSOSSSCIM, premium sports. Features of capabilities: strategize user silent licenses, unlimited custom quantities and role. Attempt includes 120 attempts per year, include 300 attempts per year. Custom number of attempts. Coding assessed, coding interviews, plagiarism deductions, lead question deductions, real world questions, and codes review, insight, email, chat, sports, customer success team, API access, integration, single frequently asked questions. Where are attempts? What are attempts? Attempts are the measurements of your of use of hacker rank. When your candidates complete your screen take home assessment that count and attempts when you interview candidates that also counts as attempts. Sending candidates invite to on a token assessment to does not attempts of the starter of the problem. Subscriptions plans come number of the attempts and its usage beyond what include will be changed of your saved payment method at the end of the billing cycle of after you are accumulate 25 extra attempts whichever come first. What questions are includes of open and ultimated deadline. Every plan comes with access to a least one questions for every questions type. Hacker rank offers this allows each plan to be able to access assesses all roles and skills. Hacker rank sports 14 different questions type across three categories: general programming and real world questions. What is this screen? HackerRank screen consists of skill-based coding tests to assess how we developers can code. Companies find that including a technical screening phase in their hiring process help them hire faster and make better hires. What are the interviewers? HackRank interviews allows you can and your candidate to simultaneously edit code, share files, and collaborate via chat and video, all within your browser. The platform comes with hearing specific tools like code playback and the security reasons of collaborate via chat and video all within your browser. The platform comes with hearing specific tools like code playbacks, scorecards, and the candidate lobby. What are real world questions? Real world questions allow you to access candidates in the sandboxed environment similar to what they use to on the job. Unlike general coding questions, our real world experience lets candidates work through extended problems and carry context forward from one challenges to the next. What training and sports are available? The HackerRank Academy provides on-demand training videos and recorded webinars for customers looking to learn more about using HackerRank. All customers also have access to technical support through articles, documentations, and email chat with our support teams. Beyond self-service options, customers who choose the custom plan have access to customer success and solutions engineering support for services like test creation, guidance, integration, sports, and onboarding. Products, solutions, resources, and pricing, and the solutions and the processing on the processing. Choose a plan that works for you. For internals of experienced and the ultimative experienced choose a plan that works for you. For from interns to experienced the hires evaluate skill for any developer's role including software engineer, back and front end, DevOps, data scientist, and QA, SA, QA SADET. Monthly 150 MO and the basic or to start hearing one user access to screen plus interview, advanced plagiarism detections, and the nature of custom pricing, custom users, and attempt certified assessment. 40 plus integration including workday, oracle, and eightfold full library of 75% 100 plus question, advanced user roles and permissions. Test up to 100K candidates at once. Designated account manager and once designated account manager access to professional services. Single sign on OSME premium alert. Feature of capabilities, starters, and accessibles. Frequently asked questions: what are the attempts? What are the included? And moral of things of anyways. जी दोस्तों, अगर मेरी वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो काइंडली मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कर दें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन के बटन को प्रेस करना मत भूलें, ताकि कल को नई आने वाली मेरी वीडियो आपको मुकर्रर वक्त पर पहुंचती रहे। तो उसके साथ अपने मेज़बान को दीजिए इजाज़त और दुआओं में याद रखिए। मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़। जी दोस्तों, उसके साथ मैं आपसे ये कहना चाहता हूँ, तो आपको काइंडली मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कर दिया करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन के बटन को प्रेस करना मत भूलें, ताकि कल को नई वाली मेरी वीडियो आपको मुकर्रर वक्त पर पहुंचती रहे। Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discuss about in a topic. This topic is hugging face. जी दोस्तों, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है हगिंग फेस। तो इसके बारे में जानेंगे कि किस तरह इस पर हमने अकाउंट क्रिएट करना है और किस तरह इस अर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म पर हम इन्वेस्ट करके पैसे कमा सकते हैं और किस तरह हम घर बैठकर आसानी से इस पर पैसे कमा सकते हैं। तो वीडियो में चलते हैं, वीडियो को देखें, वीडियो को मुकम्मल समझें ताकि आपको भी फ़ायदा हो और लोगों को शेयर भी करें। तो दी AI community building the futures, the platform where the machines learning community collaborates on models, data 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 sets and applications, explore AI apps or browse apps, explore and the space of the nutritions and the manifolds of the hugging। जी दोस्तों, trending on this week space, oh my god, and the ching gems of relevance currently of them, and then tradings of websites models about अच्छा जी, Hugging Face organization cards. We are on missions. Tachometer tries good machines learning one commit at a time. If the sounds like something you should be doing, why do not you join us for press inquiries? For you can contact our teams. Collections, distributes, release, and the PGMs. Hugging time sequence models of the Quadlands of the everything's cycles, developers model cards for model ID, model detail, model descriptions। ये दोस्तों, इसको आपको लॉग आउट करने का तरीका, साइन अप, यहाँ से हमने साइन अप करना है और इस पर हम अकाउंट करने, यहाँ पर भाई लेट्स कन्फर्म यू आर ह्यूमन, तो यहाँ पर आपने इंग्लिश कर लेनी है। तो ये इंग्लिश हो गई और इसको बिगिन करते हैं यहाँ से शुरू। तो ये आपसे पूछेगा लेट्स कन्फर्म यूर ह्यूमन, क्या तुम इंसान हो? हमने करना है भाई कन्फर्म मैं इंसान हूँ। तो कहते हैं इंट्रोवर्ट प्लीज़ ट्राई अगेन। तो हमने इसको सिलेक्ट कर लेना है ऐसे 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 ऐसे, ठीक है। फिर इसको हमने ऐसे ऐसे, ठीक है, फिर ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे। तो ये ऐसे कन्फर्म करने करते जाना है और कहते नहीं इनकरेक्ट। तो ये कहते हैं चूज़ ऑल दी बेड्स, हमने बेड्स को चूज़ करना है, ठीक है। तो ये कहते हैं चूज़ ऑल दी क्लॉक, ये ऑल क्लॉक ये हो गई। यहाँ से ऑल क्लॉक को चेक किया तो ये कंफर्म सक्सेस हो गया। तो ईमेल एड्रेस, यहाँ पे हमने ईमेल एड्रेस देना है, यहाँ पे पासवर्ड देना है और यहाँ से नेक्स्ट करना है। तो आपका अकाउंट क्रिएट हो जाएगा और आप इस अकाउंट पर जो है बआसानी से कमाना शुरू कर सकते हैं, काम करना आसान हो जाएगा। तो इस तरह ये अकाउंट क्रिएट हो गया, ठीक हो गया। मॉडल कार्ड ऑफ मॉडल्स आईडी, मॉडल डिटेल्स, मॉडल डिस्क्रिप्शंस। दिस इज़ द मॉडल कार्ड ऑफ अ ट्रांसफॉर्म transform former model that's the have been pushed on the hub. This model card has been automatically generated, developed by more information needed, funded options funded by optionals, more information needed, shared by optionals, more information needed, model type, more information needed, languages NLP, more information needed, licenses, more information needed, fine-tuned from and models optionals, more information needed, model sources optional, repository, more information needed, paper optionals, more information needed, demo optionals, more information needed, ठीक हो गया। uses directed use, more information needed, shutdown streams use optional, more information needed, out of scope uses, more information needed, Recommendation user both direct and downstream should be made aware of the risk biases and limitations of the model. More information needed for further recommendations. How to get started with the model. Use the code below to get started with the model. For more information needed, training details, training data, more information needed, training procedures, processing optionals. For more information needed, training hyperparameter, training parameter and exclusives, carbon assumptions of the estimated machines and more informations. तो इसके साथ साथ अबाउट में हो गया इसका, ये जी इसका अबाउट है, बेहतरीन किस्म का, ठीक हो गया। तो इसके मॉडल्स को चेक करते हैं, ये मॉडल्स हो गए इसके, ठीक है। तो ये मॉडल्स के साथ साथ ये डेटाबेस, डाटा सेट्स, ये डाटा सेट्स और स्पेसिस चेक करते हैं। ये आ जी मैट एनिमेस, एआई प्रोडक्ट्स जनरेटर, अच्छा कंपेयर सिलीपाइंस, अच्छा जी स्लाइडर स्पेस, सैंडेक्स साउंडवेयर डीमो, यूल्वो 12 डीमो, पेपर चैट, अच्छा जी अल्ट्रा स्केल प्ले बुक वैन 2.1, फ्लक्स 1, एआई डेडलाइंस, अच्छा लुमिनेश ब्रश, कलर वर्चुअल ट्राई ऑन, अच्छा जी डीप फैक डिटेक्टर्स, ट्रेलर्स, आईसी लाइट वीटी, अच्छा जी ओमनी पार्सेवर वी2, हायोनाई 3D एंड इस तरह मुख्तलिफ आ रहे हैं। देखें एआई ब्रॉडकास्ट जनरेटर भी है इसमें, मिड जॉर्नी जोन्स, ओपन डीप रिसर्चेज, ठीक हो गया, मैजिक विली हो गया, मीटिप लीडर बोर्ड हो गया, फर्स्ट एजेंट टेम्पलेट्स, गेट करंट, लोकल टाइम इन एनी टाइम जोन पे चलता है। अच्छा जी मैट एनी वन, ये भी कार्डियो डीमो फॉर मैट एनी वे हो गया, अच्छा रनिंग पे आ जाता है। फाइन वेब डिसेंटिकेटिंग द वेब for the finest text data at scale, AI Comic Factory, creator your own AI comic with a single prompt, Open LLM, leaderboard, track and rank of the evaluate Open LLMS and collaborations, Kokoro, its upgrades to ये Kokoro हो गया। ठीक है दोस्तों, इसके साथ ये टॉस है इसकी, ठीक है, टर्म्स ऑफ सर्विसेज को पढ़ते हैं। effective dates September 15 2022। Thanks for using Hugging Face and being part of our awesome community. We drafted the following terms of services to make your experience as smooth, private and secure possible. We are very much open to feedback. Contact us legal huggingface.com with any questions or concern. Please read these terms carefully as they contain important information about that we do we and do not offer and what you cannot do. Whenever you want to use or purchase the services that we provide to http.com and ligament of successful of the segments and related sites of the websites, these terms of services together with our supplement terms, notices and policies available http huggingface.com and or any other binding documents that we are provide and or that you sign these terms of agreements we will apply to you. In other words, these terms and binding agreement between of Hugging Face Insure Dilware Corporations, Hugging Face Company, us, we and you, where you are users or you are customers, you should be also carefully review all of our policies available on your website, including our privacy policy. By accessing, using, purchasing the services, you consent all of these terms and policies. So if you do not agree with any of those phase of the access use for purchases services, we may change or update the terms of the time to time. Changes will be effective 10 days following and the posting on the websites of the coloring postings on the websites. We if you are continue using the services 10 days following such posting, that means you accept those changes. We may also post and update supplement the terms of specific services. Supplemental terms such supplemental terms will also apply to you. A few definition. Let's make sure we speak this same language. Account is the account that you or your entity will create on the website. Access, use or purchase our services. It must be secure by a strong password. Agreement or terms refer to all of the terms and conditions that apply between us. They include these terms, supplemental terms, notice and policies available at htphuggingface.com, and or any other binding documents that we provide, and other your sign up including but not limited to order from scope of work and master services agreement. Content refer to any material posted displays access on your websites or hub, including but not limited to code data, text, graphics, images, and applications or software. We are a third party provider or make available dataset refer to structured collections of data samples used to train machines learning models. Effective data refers of the last date of signatures of the agreements or any other binding documents. Inference endpoint services refers to the hugging face of services, which is the customer can create, edit, manage, and delete manage endpoints. Hugging Face refers to Hugging Face Inc., which may perform its obligations through its affiliated director, subsidiaries, contractors, licenses, officers of agents, and employ Hugging Face Hub or referrals hosting. Platform where user can build benchmark, share variant, and deploy repositories, which may include models. Datasets and machines learning applications. Hugging Face open sources libraries refers to Hugging Face open sources software projects available. HTTP including transformers database and tokenize. Infinity service refer to continuous solution to deploy end-to-end optimize reference pipelines of state of transformers and models available. HTTP and Humulage. Machines learning applications refers to repository hosted on the hub that allows user to showcase machine learning experiment models. Refers to pre-trained machines learning model including algorithms and weight which can be run to make predictions or order from. Refer to the documents shared Hugging Face to customer describing the quantity of services ordered, of the customer fees, and the superchase additional orders from the negotiated between executed by parties and shall be incorporated into the agreement. To be parts premium sports refer to qualified of informations of blockbusters and did not masters. Premium sport refers to qualified information or any other materials provided Hugging Face via email or any instant messaging or communication service to customer to addresses to the customer questions on the use of optimizations. Hugging sources or libraries. Hugging repository, so structure contains all projects of them interior of elements. जी दोस्तों, with this we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you. अल्लाह हाफिज़. मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discuss about in a topic. This topic is Notion. N-O-T-I-O-N, Notion. The happier workspace. Write plan, collaborate with a little help from AI. Get Notion free. Request a demo. Trusted by terms at Toyota, Verkel, Figma, Ramp. Stand up today. participants of the local edge, build perfect dockers together, capture your ideas, get feedback from teammates, and ask AI to add the finishing touches. Building blocks 100 content types to communicate an idea. Collaborative tools built for teams of share, suggest, and comments. AI assisted edit drafts, translate, ask, and AI will help. Not not the change notes and web reference pitch desks of everything. Replace. Replace inverts Google Docs, your workflow, your way. All your project goals, calendar, roadmaps, and more in the tools personalized to how you and your teams work. Explore projects and the task and to dos tackle any project any project big or small, custom views, visualize work in any format from calendars to broad automations, put tedious task on autopilot, find everything instantly, no more endless searching. Our built-in AI find what you are looking for, whether is it stored in Nation or no in one of your other apps. Team spaces, dedicated space for every teams and project. Integrations connected to all your other tools. Just ask AI trusted answer across your map. Explore knowledge management, XIM Lab, and your AI Everything app for webs. Get a brain boost built right into your workspace. Notions AI is ready to brainstorm, summarize, help you write, and find what you are looking for. Try Notion AI. Instant answer. Ask any questions about a team, docs, and projects. Personalized editor. Generate content that relevant AI connectors beta access info from Slack, Google Drive, and more right inside Notions. Champion Brainstorm offer discounts to early adopters of the products, write and promote blog posts about the everyday benefits of using the products, create YouTube video series with influencers talking about their favorite features, sponsors a webinar to introduce to the product to the potential customers, create, start with templates, build anything, browse all templates. Company Wiki, Project Roadmap, OKRS, meeting notes, vacation planners, habit trackers, editorial calendar, Company Wiki, everything you need to do your best work. Docs build any page, communicate an idea. Wiki, one home base for all your knowledge. Project manage any project from beginning to end. Notion AI find what you need, does what you need. Calendar see all your commitments in one place. Goals track progress towards what most important. Sites make any page a website in minutes. Templates get started with the one of the 30,000 plus templates. Get started Notions and try it free download Notion calendar. Try it free downloads now. Design system provided coherence components. They ensure consistency and efficiency of digital protocol development. Notions company about us carrier security status term and privacy download iOS Android and sources of the English content company about us a story of tools and the future of work. Hi there, if you are reading it this you are probably like me spending most of your days in your office in front of a computer. You are probably have 15 tabs open, one of email, one of Slack, one of for Google Docs, and one on Dawn. But have you ever thoughts about where these work tools came from or why there are so many of them? To answer these questions and to explain why we created Notions, we have to travel back in time. As people flooded to factories during the industrial revolutions, many tools were invented. Ease the management overload. Typewriters replaced. As people flooded to factories during the industrial revolutions, many tools were invented to ease the management overload. Typewriters replaced illegible handwriting file combinant stored more informations than any clerk cloud remember and also won the gold medal at the 1893 Chicago World's Fair. Tools like these paved the way for office as we know them today. Fast forward to the 1950s as when you computer came into the workplace. At first they were lifeless, room-sized monsters that operated on paper and punch cards. They were used solely for number of crushings. Then something magical happened in this 1970 as a generation of pioneers saw the computer as something were beyond a number of crunching machine. They dream a future where computer could amplify immunications, Alan K. Augmented intellect, dog, and expand our thoughts for beyond text on paper. Ted Nelson, a tool unlike anything we have seen before. But things did not turn out that way as the legend goes when Steve Jobs borrowed the ideas behind personal computing from XEROS. Spark many subtle but critical differences were lost. Hit play and listen to the man himself. And that where we are today, Google Docs made typewriters, multiplayer, Dropbox brought file cabinets to the cloud, but conceptually they evolved little beyond their industrial revolution ancestors. We duct type everything together with emails, copy paste, and countless open tabs. Typewriters, file cabinets, documents editor, folder database. That where notions come in, we want to break away from today tools and bring back some of the ideas of those early pioneers. As a first step, we are blending much of your workflow into an all-in-one workspace. Want to task list, a product roadmap, a design repository. They are now all in one place. You can even customize your own workspace from dozens of Lego style building blocks. Solve your problems your way, bounded only by your imaginations. Hope, Hopefully, you have gotten a good sense of why we started Notions. Challenging the status quo is not an easy task. Check out the product right in. We need early adopters like you to start a movement. See you soon. The best way to predict the future is to invent it. Alan K. Computing Pioneer, join us. Notions is based in the Sunny Missions districts of San Francisco. We are a diverse group of people interested in computing, history, art, alternative programming, launches, and skateboarding. Interested in joining us? Learn more here. In the news, just a few of the stories about notions in the tech and business press. Forbes Fast Company, TC, the New York Times, the Wall Street Journal, the Verge. Sign up. Notions companies about careers, help center careers notions. If every person and business can tailor software to their problems, the world will be better at solving its problems. Our missions to it make that a ubiquitous reality. Browse full times openings. Our story: early computing pioneers envisaged a futures where machines on our desks could amplify Your imaginations extend our intellect and help us model information in ways never before seen. This is the type of tools we want to build together our nations, one that give you the software you can own, mold and shape like clay to solve your problems your way. We have heard nations described many ways. It can be as simple as a blank piece of paper making writing feel light and delight. It can be complex as a relations database that stores huge amount of data. We sometimes compare it to a set of logos. If logos were designed by the New York Times, but at its core notion is the toolbox of software building blocks that lets you manage your life and work however you find most useful. To make this possible, we have brought together a diverse team of individuals passionate about computing history, art, alternative programming, languages, music, skateboarding, and craft. Today, we're growing faster than ever across offices in San Francisco, New York, Dublin, Hyderabad, Tokyo, Seoul, and Sydney. Us opening positions. Business Technology Customer Experience Automations Engineer, San Francisco, California. Custom Experience AMER Enterprise Sports of the Billing Sports Specialist EMEA Enterprises Technological Sports Dutch and Enterprise Premium Sport Agent, San Francisco, California, New York, and Enterprise Customer Success Manager Dedicated DACH, Customer Success Manager Dedicated France, Customer Success Manager of the Dedicated Japan and Indonesia, of the Customer Success Manager Dedicated UKI, Digital Customer Success Program Manager DEMEA, Global Head of Customer Success San Francisco, California, New York, Manager Mid Market Custom Success Manager San Francisco, California, Mid Market Customer Success Manager San Francisco, California, Scaled Custom Success Manager San Francisco, California, Scaled Custom Success Manager DHN Dublin, Ireland, Data Science Engineer and the Engineering Manager Products and Francisco and Legal of the Desirants of the Elements of the Decrements of the Switzerland. Office culture notion is an person, company, and currently and requirement of the Thalagon requires its employees to come to the office for 2 and core days, Monday, Thursday, and request that employ the Bengal of Silver Apps students may we begin in office focused company enable us to capitalize on the energy and that comes for being in the same place. This is the great opportunity to build a relationship, work with your teammates, and collaborate on project. Teams have started adding a third in office and day for team-based work for things such as group maker time, brainstorm sessions, team spending, and more. This way, notions spend a majority of the week in the office. Interview guides. We want to help every candidates feel prepared and know exactly that to expect our team and utilize nice to us adding to these resources. So if you do not see what you are looking or just check with the requirements. जी दोस्तों, अगर मेरी वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो काइंडली मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कर दें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। तो चलते हैं लाइफ एट नेशंस। When it comes to our culture, we are rather show than tell. Here are some videos to give you a sense of the day-to-day routines and the blockchain's views of the nations. दोस्तों, मेरी वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो काइंडली वीडियो को लाइक कर दें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन के बटन को प्रेस करना मत भूलें ताकि कल को नई आने वाली मेरी वीडियो आपको मुकर्रर वक्त पर पहुंचती रहे। तो इसके साथ अपने मेज़बान को दीजिए इजाज़त और दुआ में याद रखिए। मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ।